Celebrity Meditation. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow your body to relax. Let go of any tension or stress. Take another deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then release it slowly. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at ease. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the topic of making money. Allow yourself to focus on this subject with an open mind and a curious spirit. Set aside any preconceived notions or limiting beliefs about what is possible and what is not. Visualize yourself standing in a vast open field. The field is surrounded by tall trees and a gentle breeze is blowing. In the distance, you can see a mountain range, and the sky above is a deep shade of blue. As you stand in this peaceful place, you feel a sense of calm and tranquility. Imagine that you are holding a small seed in your hand. This seed represents your desire to make money. It may be a specific amount that you have in mind, or it may simply be a general desire to improve your financial situation. Take a moment to hold this seed and feel its weight in your hand. Now imagine that you plant this seed in the ground at your feet. With care and intention, you nurture the seed, providing it with the water and sunlight it needs to grow. Over time, the seed begins to sprout, and a small plant emerges from the soil. As you watch this plant grow, you notice that it is not always easy. There are times when it seems to struggle, when it wilts and appears to be dying. But you continue to care for it, to tend to its needs, and eventually it grows strong and healthy. This plant represents your efforts to make money. It is a reflection of the work that you put in, the time and energy that you invest in your financial goals. Just like the plant, your journey to financial success may have its ups and downs. There may be times when it feels like nothing is working, when you are tempted to give up. But just like the plant, you can persevere and continue to grow. As the plant grows taller and stronger, it begins to produce fruit. Each piece of fruit represents a small victory, a step forward on your journey to financial success. As you pick the fruit, you feel a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. But you also know that there is more work to be done. You continue to care for the plant, to nurture it and help it grow. And as it grows, it produces more and more fruit, each one a symbol of your progress and your success. As you stand in this field, watching your plant grow and thrive, you realize that making money is not just about the end result. It is about the journey, the process of growth and learning that takes place along the way. It is about the challenges you face and the obstacles you overcome. It is about the satisfaction of knowing that you have done something meaningful and worthwhile. Take a moment now to reflect on your own journey to financial success. Think about the seeds you have planted, the challenges you have faced, and the victories you have achieved. Allow yourself to feel proud of all that you have accomplished, and to be grateful for the opportunities and resources that have helped you along the way. As you bring your meditation to a close, take one more deep breath and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to carry this sense of calm and focus with you as you move forward on your journey. Remember that just like the plant in the field, you have the ability to grow and thrive, to overcome challenges and achieve success. Trust in yourself and in the process, and know that you are capable of achieving all that you desire.